Ever wondered if the woman you're seeing has a high sex drive? Some women drop hints, while others make it crystal clear. If you know what to look for, the signs are undeniable. In this video, we'll break down 6 unmistakable behaviors that reveal her libido is off the charts. So, pay attention, because you might be missing the signals she's sending you. 1. She turns ordinary moments into flirtation. A woman with a high sex drive has a way of making even the most mundane interactions feel electric. Whether she's playfully teasing you, locking eyes with a knowing smirk, or leaning in just a little too close during a casual chat, her presence exudes attraction. She might brush against you unexpectedly, drop a cheeky remark, or flash a mischievous smile. All little ways of maintaining an ongoing spark. If she keeps the chemistry alive, even in everyday situations, it's a strong indicator that intimacy is always on her mind. 2. She's spontaneous and thrives on excitement. Routine can quickly dull attraction, but a woman with a strong libido knows how to keep things fresh. She enjoys breaking free from predictability, whether it's planning a last-minute getaway, suggesting an unexpected date idea, or sneaking in a passionate kiss at the most unexpected moment. She might also send you a suggestive text out of the blue, just to remind you that she's thinking about you. If she craves excitement and spontaneity, it's a clear sign that her desire is always active and looking for new ways to be expressed. 3. She keeps physical touch alive. For a woman with a high sex drive, physical closeness is second nature. Whether it's casually resting her hand on your leg, tracing small circles on your arm while talking, or giving you a lingering hug, her touch is intentional. These small, intimate gestures aren't just about affection. They're a way of keeping the physical connection strong. Even in public, she might find subtle ways to maintain contact, reinforcing that she craves closeness and enjoys expressing her attraction physically. 4. She's open about discussing sex. A woman with a strong libido isn't shy about talking about intimacy. She's comfortable expressing her desires, sharing what excites her, and even suggesting new experiences to explore together. These conversations can range from playful banter to deeper discussions about preferences and fantasies. Her openness fosters a sense of trust and mutual exploration, making it clear that she values both communication and a fulfilling physical connection. If she talks about sex comfortably and confidently, it's a definite sign that desire plays an important role in her life. 5. She takes the initiative. Society often expects men to make the first move. But a woman with a high sex drive doesn't wait around. She knows what she wants and goes for it. She might be the one to send the first text, plan the next date, or suggest a night in together with a playful hint of what's to come. When it comes to intimacy, she doesn't hesitate to let you know she's in the mood, whether through direct words or unmistakable body language. If she's frequently initiating, it's a strong signal that her passion is running high. 6. She openly expresses her desires. A woman who is confident in her sexuality isn't afraid to state what she enjoys and what she wants more of. She may casually tell you what she liked most about your last intimate encounter or suggest new things to explore together. Her ability to communicate her needs without hesitation shows a deep level of self-awareness and comfort with her own body. This transparency isn't about being demanding. It's about ensuring that both of you share a fulfilling and exciting connection. Recognizing a woman with a high sex drive is about understanding her confidence, openness, and the way she maintains an exciting and passionate connection. Whether through spontaneous gestures, playful flirtation, or direct communication, she makes it clear that intimacy is an important part of her life. If you notice these behaviors, she's not just hinting, she's inviting you into a deeper, more thrilling connection. Embrace the moment, communicate, and explore the passion together.